Hi, kitty cats. So I'm gonna show you some candles I bought. I bought from Goose Creek Candle Company. Apparently they're in London, which I didn't know until after. So it took a while for them to get here, but they are here. They even go put this in a pretty big box. They put this thing over them. Even this actually smells good. It smells nice. So I got 4 candles.
No, it says obviously on that you have 6.
No, I actually only got 4. Not 6. This needs to... Sorry guys, you're not seeing my whole face there. Okay. So first candle is... looking for it here. My First Autumn. And it has like a cute little kitty cat on the label there. You guys see it? Focus.
Is it a cartoon
Focus.
kitty cat?
No, it's a picture of like a kitty cat.
It must be there.
And it smells kind of apple-y.
Autumn should smell like that.
And I forgot what the scent notes are. And they don't have them on here. It just says My First Autumn. But yeah, it smells very fall. Very fall. So let's grab the next one. They're all fall candles, of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
So
What
this
is it,
one...
Christmas and fall?
This one is, oh, some of the wax got on the outside here. This is Harvest Hayride. And it smells very strongly of cinnamon. Very cinnamony. And we've got like a little hayride thing on the...
Haunted hayride?
There. So... Oh, can you hand me another one?
Does it look like I can? I wanted to fit this man.
There's only 4.
Oh, this is obviously mine.
Why do you say that?
Because usually the white ones end up being mine.
You usually like... A lot of the wax got... like weird. I don't know.
I mean, that's
I guess,
normal.
Yeah, that's kind of... It's just...
It's
I thought that was on the outside, but it's not. Because this one a logo on the outside.
Put wax in glass.
So this is Vanilla Pumpkin Waffle. I definitely smelled the waffle and the like that sort of waffle scent to it. Yeah, that's nice. And one more.
This smells like... I don't know, because there's so many scents going on to me. Getting into my nose.
Yeah. This one is Ivory Pumpkin. I can smell...
The waffle one is really in my nose. All I can smell is
I can
waffles.
smell some spice, like maybe cinnamon or clove in it. So, those are the 4 candles that I got. Because I wanted to get some fall candles.
What's this candle?
That's a cat. She is not a candle. So, they can't see.
Good.
Maybe
No,
I'll aim it.
They don't need to see her.
Okay, well, that was weird. Anyways, so that's all of that. This is just a short little thing to show you some candles, and I hope you're all having a great day and a great weekend.
She's mad.
And
She's mad.
this house is crazy sometimes. Now we've got this cool box here though. That's good. And I'll have to figure out where to put all these candles. I have so many candles already. I really didn't need to buy these, but I wanted to try out the company and see what I thought. Because I'm always getting Bath and Body or, excuse me, I buy the candles on Ulta. And when I go to Walmart, I'll buy candles there. I wanted to try something else. their prices were really good, and I mean, it took a little while for it to get here because it was from London, but I think that I'm gonna be happy. We'll see how they burn. But thanks for watching. Love you, kitty cats.